Everybody,
photogenic glasses on.
we are at, is this Cooper Tires?
No.
First choice.
First choice. Oh, I thought I saw a sign that said Cooper.
Yeah, we sell Cooper tires.
Oh, you sell Cooper Tires, but you're called First Choice. Okay, we are at First Choice. Sorry, we're
on Big Belly Rebuilds there.
We're a YouTube channel and we film everything. Y'all want to show your beautiful faces on video?
Especially that one.
No. No, we film. We have over 5,000.
Fixing my trailer.
We have over 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. So you want to be famous? What was that? Okay, all right. Well, we are at First Choice Tire in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and I'm just I got here a little bit late, so
can you? Break? It looks like a break right here. That's where that bar is running on the inside.
It has broken.
It's been taking a lot of stress up here.
Yeah.
That is built to the hilt. But this, that's what I'm looking at. That's built to the hilt.
Well, it looks like at one time it was go behind.
Is that what it looks like?
Yeah, they gutted it this. So they're probably towing it.
That's what it's called. Gusset. Yeah, this is gusset. Yeah.
So, Stephen, have you got the tire? Well, no, the tires.
No, we were talking about what we're going to do. What I'm going to do is go get some metal and probably hook it here to here to help give it some strength, because you can see the welds are starting to crack right here. This is trying to flex. Remember I was telling you I don't think this is as strong as that? Well, it's pretty obvious it's got cracks in it. So, they've about died over at my house. You know, they don't bite, they just crack.
No,
oh, yeah.
They just freak you out a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're completely under the cicada plague.
Oh, yeah. It was really quiet at the house today. I think most of them died off.
Okay, all right. So, tell me, you are replacing all the tires, correct?
Yes,
yeah, I kept
putting on
one.
new tires.
You kept one.
That's my spare. And
now,
these things here weigh freaking.
Oh yeah.
The other ones were really bad, weren't they?
They were coming apart. Yeah.
Were they coming? How did you make it home from Nicholasville?
They held there.
So Stephen went and got those in Nicholasville yesterday.
50 miles an hour, 55 mile an hour.
But they were. You said that they were coming apart.
I drove in every shade I can find.
So so can you show me? Which ones did you take off?
They're inside being replaced right now.
Oh.
I was an owner-operator for 33 years. So. Not owner, but truck driver for 33 and owner-operator for the last 20, right?
Right, 20 years. Were they in this bad of shape where they were coming apart?
Chunks missing out of them. These are all cut-up tires. Once we get a used
you
tire
mean you had chunks coming out of the tires that you came home with yesterday? Oh my goodness! It's it's by the grace of God you made it home.
Sound of that one.
Yeah, I can hear it from here. Sound like bearings need to be repacked.
He said he went through them.
You might have went through that one.
That one sounds good. That one sounds dry.
Shouldn't be hearing them.
Well, I hope you're not second guessing yourself, Stephen, on your purchase.
I'm not second. It's a $900 trailer. Where are you going to get a $900 trailer?
Yeah, you said we paid.
You can't even get a $900 trailer at Lowe's.
Them axles would have cost me that.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
So he did good then. He did well.
If nothing else, it's worth $900 in steel.
And then brakes would have cost me $900.
Because we paid $2,400 for the other one, right?
Yeah, this thing's worth that in steel.
Oh yeah. You had to re-lumber it.
Yeah, it just needs some work.
Some TLC. All right, so as long as you're not second guessing yourself, because it's kind of disappointing about.
I'm not second guessing. What I'm doing is looking how I can make it better, to where it's not going to break on me.
Well, why are y'all saying that sounds bad? What's going on there?
It needs to be repacked. When you hear that, that means the bearings are getting dry.
Oh.
See, this one here, you don't hear anything. In fact, it's still rocking back and forth. See?
Yeah, it's out of balance.
I wouldn't know have any problem. The bushings all look good.
Did y'all pull a motor out, an engine out?
Yeah, he's putting it in on the car over.
Oh, how much is that? How much do you think that weighs? How much?
4,500.
40. That weighs 4,500 pounds.
425.
Oh, 425, not 4,500. That's a big difference. Yeah. Yeah.
Some of them pretty heavy. Some of them ain't. You can do some curls with that. Yeah. if you're the Hulk.
So I guess AJ's in the truck, I guess, doing schoolwork. Steven.
What?
I guess AJ's in the truck doing schoolwork.
Yeah.
You gonna take it both out? No, sir.
Well, so tell me about the miracle about you getting home yesterday from Nicholasville. It was a real miracle.
Drove 227 miles on Maypops.
What are Maypops?
They were ready to pop at any second.
Oh, they may pop or they may not pop, right?
Yeah.
Maypops.
So I kept it. I stayed on the back roads running about 45, and then I had to get on a big road, and I just run 55. Trying to run it as slow as I could.
All right.
As fast as you go, the more speed you're gonna get.
Wow. Okay.
He was telling me what he thinks it is. An old trailer was modified into this trailer. So they built mobile homes many years ago, and they used these axles. And he thinks that this part of it was a mobile home, and then when the mobile home was done, they cut it and made a trailer.
Oh, really?
That's what that guy was thinking, which makes a lot of sense. You see how they added this on there? And then this is nothing like that. And I'm like, this is kind of crappy work. Come move out of your way.
Oh, sorry.
And so remember I was telling you I don't like this, how that looks great, but this doesn't. That would be the reasoning. But whoever built this didn't build this. So I may end up redoing that. I'm sure I will. I'll have to redo it. Get some metal.
Well, but in the meantime, we've got to figure out when to be expeditious and get the...
Well, we're talking about if I put a bar right here, cut it in the edge, and weld it right here to help support this, make it stronger.
Okay.
So what I'll probably do is go get the head, put the head on there. That'll make that unit 3,000 pounds lighter, and plus it makes it smaller. And I can get some metal welded on here and make it stronger. I have some box tubing at home that I could probably, I don't have enough to go down here, but I have enough to go from here to here. So I can weld that in. He said to drill a hole right here to stop the weld from breaking. See the crack?
Oh, yeah.
So that means it's been doing what I'm telling you, it's trying to stretch. So drill through here and then re-weld that with my welder. And I got to do the same thing over here. I got to drill through there.
Oh.
Drill through there and re-weld all that. Stop that break. So obviously this is, like I said, it isn't built strong enough up front. The rest of it's good, but this part of it's... But I can fix the weld, grind that down and drill it and stop it, and then add some stock on there from here to here to strengthen it up so I can get it home. And then I'm not going to be moving it real far distances anymore. Once I get it home, it won't probably be going out with more than 25, 30 miles, you know, from the house.
Right, we hope so.
Because just be running in the area,
Right.
Hopkinsville KY.
Right.
Laying between the legs. Won't be going no 100 miles.
No.
The first thing was to get them tires taken care of. Now that we rolled it, I'm gonna have to do these bearings up here. Pack the bearings before I go down there. And check the other side and get it up. And I can always get wood from the Mennonites.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That doesn't look very nice, these things sticking out. There's this look like railroad ties. Are they railroad ties?
What, these on here?
Yeah.
No, they're not quite railroad ties, but that's some good strong metal under there.
So it was a mobile home thing then.
Yeah, that's what he thinks.
Aw, why do you have on a black sweatshirt on May 30th?
Because I
Why do you have on a black dress on May 30th?
But it's a dress.
See? Why do you have on a black dress on May 30th? Aw. Aw.
I went to work today.
Right back at you.
Well, but that's different than a sweatshirt, though.
Well, he's been in the house too, so.
Oh, show everybody how you lost a tooth. Come on, let's see your tooth. You got one more baby tooth left.
Okay, so
wait a second. Smile.
hang on, I want to say something, and
Smile. No,
Okay.
point at where you lost your tooth at. You got one more baby tooth
Okay,
left.
so can I say something? Okay, so a few days ago, I was like just brushing my teeth. Like I got to the top where it's like that tooth went bye-bye, which I'm glad there was a drain in the sink. Otherwise, it wouldn't down the sink. Would've.
Okay.
You mean a screen in the sink?
Yeah.
All sinks have drains.
You're talking about the screen. The screen to catch it. You would have
Screen
lost.
in the drain.
You would have lost the tooth. All right. All right. So these obviously got to. These are not. These are the old ones that got to come
See
off.
how they're cracked? They're dry rotted.
Oh man.
So, they've been sitting on this trailer for a long, long time.
I guess so. All right, AJ, close us out.
This right here is way. This is perfect as far as the width. It's just when I go to build, I'm gonna cut all this off right here. I've already decided I'm gonna cut all this off, cut that off, whatever they put up there, that needs to come off, and then build on top of it. So this will go up about on top of this, but it's gonna be bigger. And that way I get my heights, and that way I don't have to worry about hurting my truck. And I'll reuse this unless I can find some more. Unless I can find some more of that. And I think I seen some on Marketplace for the guy had some. So if I could get some more of this, I'll just build a new tongue on there.
He sees everything on Marketplace.
Well, yeah. Steven's quite the pro about Marketplace.
Yeah, everything you see here came from Marketplace.
The truck came from Marketplace.
Yep.
4 years ago. We got this off of Facebook Marketplace 4 years ago. We went to the other side of Kentucky. Did we go to Hazard, Kentucky to get this?
Yep.
We went to Hazard, Kentucky 4 years ago to get this.
Ruthie B kicked a hole in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to point that
She's
out.
a brute.
You know what? That tree service is also called First Choice. The tree service that we were talking to today, they're called First Choice. So that must be a common name, First Choice.
It's like Elite.
Yeah, so that must be a common name.
First Choice.
First Choice.
Elite Transportation.
Right. But you know, this morning we were talking to people at First Choice Excavating.
Right. They said they're thinking about hiring me for $115 an hour, and they're going to charge the customer $200 an hour.
That'd work out.
So they would get $85 an hour.
Yeah, isn't that something?
So
That would.
I don't know if I like the fact that they're getting that much money.
3, 2, 1.
No, that's right. You'll never have to buy one of those again. Praise the Lord.
Why?
Because he doesn't have the big
That's
truck
right,
anymore.
it's gone.
He doesn't have the big truck anymore.
I'm in a whole new business now. Well, everybody, have a great day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. God bless and peace of a later.